This one with normal VESA adapter, and then to realize to put your laptop or monitor clamp. Yeah, because here you can put your you can clamp your tablet like this, because here is big, so normally we need the big monitor to clamp. Go. Okay. You can go outside. You can go outside. Yeah, like this. And also let it go inside to realize the big range and small range. Yeah. Do you like this one? Yeah, this one is adapter to realize different function. Because sometimes you don't want to fix your monitor on the monitor mount. You can use the adapter. You can use this adapter and just put your monitor clamp inside, and you can take it in, take out.